Hello YouTube, this is going to be part 1 of how to make an elevator animation. Now all I use is OpenOffice Impress, but I'm no longer using any other type except for OpenOffice Impress. Now I just downloaded the skyscrapers and data, so I'm going to be showing you the data right now. Where is it? There we go. Here is the data of all my elevator videos. Elevator parts, sorry. There we go. Now what we want to do is we're going to make a call button. Let's just say that we are going to make a parking elevator, of course. We're gonna place a square here. There you go. And what you want to do is go to select replace color to bitmap. Then you're gonna click whatever you want. They just don't really matter. And you gotta click style, click on clusters, you're gonna remove the outline. And then what you wanted to do is, we're going to make a simple call button. So I'm gonna go to data. Which one is it? Let's make it on, let's do it as a Otis Series 1. So you're gonna click on EGA1/Otis. You're gonna click on Series 1. And let's make it a main floor, which is floor 1. Alright, there you go. Alright, so what you want to do is, we're gonna make a call button right now. So you want to click on this, S1/button up. And then what you are going to do, we're gonna place it right here. And maybe it's too big. I click on keep ratio and the check mark, so we can make this as a ratio. And there is the call button right there. I use any type of button sound or my mouth to make the clicky buttons. So what you want to do is we're gonna make a button lit up. So we're gonna select copy there, and then we're gonna paste it. Now we're gonna replace it to a button where it's lit up. Yeah. All right, we're gonna make this call button. They're gonna select right here. There, that's the lit it up button. Okay, now we're gonna make out of lanterns. I don't feel like doing the opening doors. So you're gonna click on, I'm just gonna click on the delete button. There we go. Alright, now what we wanted to do is we're going to make a lantern. Let's just say this is a Innovation Premiere 2 lantern. We're gonna make that right now. Alright, we're gonna back in data. There we go. And there it is. So you're gonna click on lanterns. Let's just do it on brass. I feel like going on there. You can pick any one, I just don't care. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're gonna make lantern lit up. And if you want to make it a little bigger, change it to 2.5. There we go. There we go, 2.5. Alright, so there's the lantern and the call button I already did. And we're gonna press copy. I always do. And then you're gonna paste the new slide to make the lantern lit. And so what we want to do is we're gonna click this. There. Now there's the lantern lit up. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to make an elevator panel. Let's just say these are 3 floors. Yep, 3 floors we go. Alright, so what we want to do is we're going to replace this to color. Instead of blue classic, we could go on gray 7. You can just pick any color, I don't mind. I really don't care about it, but whatever. Alright, now what you are going to do is let's keep it on Otis Series 1. Actually, Let's do it on Innovation. Innovation Bruiser we go. These are the Innovation Bruiser buttons. So what you want to do is we're going to add a button. We're going to add the door. Let's not make it a rear door. Okay, we have a door close button. And we're going to add the door open. There we go, the door opened. Just going to exit out. Alright, we're going to make the alarm button. Well, I'm not going to press it anyway. Okay, so here are the fixtures. But we're not done yet. We are going to make a button setup where I'm going to choose as 3 floors. Let's do it as a parking. All right, we're gonna make this a little smaller because it's big. Let's do it at 3. All right, now what we are going to do is we're gonna add these buttons. Oops, I did not mean to do that. All right, we're gonna add these buttons there. Let's just say these are okay. Now we got the buttons. Now what I'm going to do is, if you want to, okay, so here's the deal. We're going to put this here, and if you want to make it any label, I always select Footwork. So we're going to go on Footwork Gallery. You can click any one. Okay. Now, what you wanted to do, if you wanted to make an elevator label, you can choose any type. If you want to keep this font or change a different font. But for me, there for bold. Let's just do it to there we go. I chose this one. Anybody else can change the font, whatever. I just don't care, literally. Oh, sorry about that word. So, what you want to do is we are going to replace it with a floor 1. Okay, we got floor 1. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to make this into a label. And if you want to add a star, you could go here, or if you have a rounded star that's only white and it's transparent, you can go save it and click on. I found it from other people's textures. Here, there's the round star. There we go. We're going to take this to a smaller bit. There we go. Okay, so that's the floor 1. Now we're going to make it a second floor. Okay, copy. All right, I'm going to paste it. Okay. So, what we are going to do is we're going to remove the star from here. Just going to click delete. Now we're going to zoom this here and make it up as a 2. There, let's just say this is going to be a parking elevator. Here we go. Now we're going to go here. Now we're going to make a 3rd floor. All right. We're going to copy and paste it. And we'll make it a 3rd floor. There. Okay, now we have the fixtures. 1, 2, 3. The door controls. Okay, we're going to make the button lit up. So what you want to do is we're going to click here, copy, paste, and then we're going to go to Innovation Bruiser back. There we go. We're going to select button lit. with it. You're going to replace it. That's how I do it. Button lit up. Alright, and that's it for the part 1. See you in the next part.